Welcome to had6 channel. In this video, we will look into accord. 9 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Consensus. Which means a general agreement. Consensus. For example, there is a growing consensus that the current regime has failed. Number 2. Harmony. Which means the state of being in agreement or concord. Harmony. For example, man and machine in perfect harmony. Number 3. Rapport. Which means a close and harmonious relationship in which the people or groups concerned understand each other's feelings or ideas and communicate well. Rapport. For example, the gift of quiet spiritual rapport with an audience. Number 4. Congruence. Which means agreement or harmony. Congruence. For example, he took care that there should be congruence of meaning and sound in his music. Number 5. Unity. Which means the state of forming a complete and harmonious whole, especially in an artistic context. Unity. For example, their leaders called for unity between opposing factions. Number 6. Conformity. Which means similarity in form or type. Conformity. For example, these changes are intended to ensure conformity between all schemes. Number 7. Unanimity. Which means agreement by all people involved. Unanimity. For example, we have achieved a degree of unanimity. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. See you in the next video.